today we're doing part 2 of Mystery Balloon Slime. If you haven't seen our video from yesterday, you should definitely go check it out. We did part 1. Let's do this. Each bowl has different categories of the black balloons, and I do not know what's in them, but I do know what's in the colored balloons because it's activator. Now, I think I'm going to pick this one. For this, I'm gonna do this one. And then eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its tail. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This one, I think I'm gonna do this one. Okay, so now I'm going to take them all out, and I think this one feels the most like the glue, so let's see what type of glue I get. It's clear glue, yay! It's so pretty. I hope I don't get paint because that would be bad, because last time I got glitter glue, shaving cream, and paint all in one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm not sure what this is. Baking soda! So far, this is turning out perfect. That's a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this. It feels like it's Orbeez. This is gonna be so messy. I'm gonna cut a, oh, this looks so cool. I've seen thumbnails like this and it looks so cool. That looks so pretty. I'm so glad I got this. Okay, now it's time for the activator. That's a lot. It's not sticky already. I'm gonna take it out because it's too much. All the Orbeez are falling out. Oh, this feels so good. But they're all falling out. Oh, that feels so good. It's not super clear, but still. I guess the Orbeez didn't work because it wasn't sticky enough, and usually when you do Orbeez, they're all gonna fall out unless it's sticky. So the Orbeez part was a fail, but the slime was a success. Okay, now it's time for the last slime. These are the only ones that there were left, so I guess I'm gonna use these. Okay, so this feels like the glue this time. I wonder what type it is. What type of glue it is. It's gel glue! Yay! Oh. So satisfying. Okay, now, I don't know what this is. It feels like it's glitter or sequins, and then this. I'm interested about this, though. It's paint! I predicted this. No! Beautiful clear. Well, at least it'll be gold. Now, I'm gonna do this last black balloon. It's sequins! Ah! I knew it, I guessed right. It's gonna make it so crunchy. There's a lot in here. Okay. Yay, this is better add-ins than last time. I love sequins. Look at that. Listen. That's awesome. And I forgot to mention that we have 2 different types of activators. So that one was, the one earlier was saline solution, and this one is Tide. So from last time when I used Tide, it got really hard. So I'm only gonna use a little bit at a time. There we go, I'm gonna start with a little bit at a time. Okay, it's already starting to come together. Hopefully when all the air bubbles come, it won't turn into a really bad color. It probably will, but hopefully not.
It looks like oatmeal.
Oh yeah, it kind of looks like really weird oatmeal. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and go in with my hands. That feels amazing. I think this is gonna be my favorite slime yet, and it's gonna be the best one. And slowly add it in. It's nice having control of it. This sounds and feels amazing. Oh, it's so stretchy and it's so cold. And the good thing is that it's still clear. I see you. I'm gonna try to make bubbles with this. Good method is to just spread it out and just do this. Oh, this is so satisfying. This is the best mystery balloon slime yet. It feels so awesome to just even do this. Oh, I could play with this all day. Look at this. Now listen to this. Oh, that sounds amazing. Okay guys, that was part 2 of the mystery balloon slimes. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time.